is my turbo Chevy Love. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you might remember this truck. This is the truck that we went to North Carolina for, bought it for $3,000, drove it all the way home, and then once we got home, we did a burnout with it until it blew up. And then we got another engine for it, put a big turbo on it, and drove it like that. But now we're bored, and we want to build a drift truck. But here's the issue. We don't have any money.
But what we do have is this 1999 Mazda Miata.
And we also have this 1979 Datsun 280ZX that you might remember from the Tail of the Dragon video.
So you might be wondering, what in the world are these guys gonna do with a 79 280ZX, an 80 Chevy Love, and a
99 Mazda Miata.
99 Mazda Miata? Well, let me try to explain it. Okay, thought board. Here's our thoughts. So we have Chevy Love right there. And then this Chevy Love right now is slow, kinda, because it's got a turbo, uncomfortable, and has no suspension things that are gonna help us drift. So what we need to do is we need to take the suspension and get rid of it. And then we need to take the engine, get rid of it, because it's not gonna do anything fun. And then we're gonna take the straight six out of the Datsun and put it in there with the Datsun 4-speed, because we got a bunch of them. And then we're gonna take the dual wishbone suspension of the Miata out from underneath, take the cradles and everything, and then we're gonna stick them up inside this Love. So then we'll have dual wishbone front suspension, which will be perfect because we need aftermarket support for a drift car, which there's plenty of it out there for Miata suspension. So that'll set us up good for being able to get angle and camber where we want it to be. And then we need just the cheapest but coolest engine that we can get our hands on, which right now we have a bunch of, is Datsun straight sixes. And Datsun straight sixes rev to 8,000 RPMs. They don't make a ton of power, but we also maybe have a turbo and manifold laying around, and a turbo that's already on the Love, and intercooler that's already all piped into it. So what we need to do is we need to make a Datsun Miata Chevy Love baby. Yeah? We also need a name. So you guys can think of a name, hop in the comments, put your suggestions in there on what you think we should name it. It needs to be short and cool and something that somebody else hasn't already used.
And maybe comment how we're gonna do this, because we've done no research at all.
Yeah, I mean, there's
Zero research.
nothing. We thought we have these cars and we want to make a cool one. John, it's the feds!
So good, look! So you're thinking, hey, you guys already spent money. Well, no, we didn't. My buddy had this car and it's completely rotted out. It's useless. And he said, if you give me whatever you get for it in scrap, then you can have it. So this car was free. What we need to do first is get these subframes out so we can even measure and even see if this is even gonna be close to working. The subframe is safe. That's why you don't buy cars in Ohio. So this episode, we are racking this car up, getting all the suspension out, and gonna start some measuring. I need to start working on these power plant frames.
Why do I see fluid already?
The subframe is safe. It's gross, but it's safe.
Ouch. I don't think this sway bar is doing much anymore. Lantern fly.
Let's see. These are the bolts. Yep, and they're moving like the bolts. Not moving.
What are they?
They are 11/16. That's what I found.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's like, no, you don't.
That's how they are.
Got one.
So sick.
Nice. Wow, that was a 60-volt battery. Did you hear the difference?
Yeah.
That thing just, what are you trying to get loose there?
I'm messing with these subframe bolts.
Snap them.
Try.
Just get the torch out. Got them.
I think I might be able to
Break them.
break them. I don't know, they are 19s. Yeah. Good shot.
Give it a shot, yeah. Oh, I can't get to it.
Very sick. There's one there, and then there's one right here. It's a little harder to get to, it's like.
Those are up. We need to cut that exhaust out.
It's so crusty!
Get me on.
Does anybody see where big half-inch went? Air impact?
What?
I'm so excited to put that on my car.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Do you want, there's another one left.
If we can save the other one, that'd be cool. So my car's like actually, oh no, it's done.
I didn't know.
It's getting
Oh,
ready
you're
to
good.
drop.
Ready?
Before I could see the knife, it was over.
Yeah.
I can get the glue out.
Oh, that's okay. I think I have a couple at my house. Something happened. I don't know what.
Yeah, I don't think it was a good thing.
Oh. Midwest Miata showdown.
Noise.
Nice.
Oh wait, this is like an insert, I think.
Oh, there's a pry point right here on it.
Yeah, right. Nice.
Sick. Is there one on the top too? Because it looked like there was.
I hope not. I don't think there is.
There something felt very similar to that on the top.
Ah, not too bad.
It did have one on the top. Just popped out though.
Do you want me to put the pogo under the trans?
No, I think it'd be good.
I did got a couple bolts out of it. Hopefully there's bolts in the top.
There it is. It's the dang backbone of a Miata right there.
Everything else is loose too, I think. I got a couple. We might be able to just drop the subframe on
With the-
jack stands.
I think with the engine trans on it, we just set her out the bottom.
Yeah.
I like that idea.
One bolt is how it's holding all this in.
No, there's one there,
Uh-huh.
and then one there.
Oh, 2 bolts, sick. Perfect.
Yeah.
Stuck on that stuff.
Sick. Yeah. Okay.
What's up?
Which way are we going? So will you come grab this?
Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's take it over there. Oh, we have it.
Where? There it is. Dude, that looks like it was made to bolt into anything.
Run in. Yeah, that's flat.
John, what do you guys do now?
Cutting hoses! I'm cutting hoses. I love working on Miatas. So the plan right now is to leave the engine bolted to the subframe, throw some jack stands under there, and just pick the car up off it. It's the working plan right now.
It's like bracketed right there.
What?
That hose.
Do we want to cut it?
That's not the hose I'm stuck on. This one's already cut, right? but
Oh.
it's back here.
Got you.
And these other lines, I don't know what they go to. That's air conditioning right there. Just cut it. Cover your face.
Nice.
I think I got one more down there.
it's a bracket.
I'm bracketed to the other side.
Nice.
Right here.
Hey.
Is that your transmission? Or are you just happy to see me?
Delete.
I didn't have to cut that because Scott already took it loose over there.
Watch this frame as I hit this bolt. Dude. Dog.
That's what's holding the engine.
Yeah, it is.
There's like 5 bolts back there.
Holy frame, dude. That's why you don't buy cars in Ohio. We're about to drop the engine, trans, and subframe in one go, right now. And just one more on the back on that side. Yep. Yeah, I think so. I don't know if there's any wiring to the transmission.
I checked. It didn't seem like that.
Hold on, steering shaft is stuck.
Cars can't move.
There we go. All right. Yep.
Stop. I don't know what was picking the backup.
Oh, clutch line.
Oh, clutch line. Oh, yeah.
That'll do it.
Give me a 10. Okay, or that.
Okay, ready?
Stop. We're gonna have to stop soon. There's a harness coming up through here. I mean, if the only thing we cut.
need the battery harness, right?
Yeah, I'd say just right there.
Yeah, just cut it.
Yeah.
There was, I mean, I'm sure you put those back together. Couple butt connectors. Yeah, just a couple butt connectors. You've been back at it.
Let's take this thing higher, higher than you ever been. Stand tall like Everest. I mean higher. You ain't gotta settle in. Go places they never been. We going.
All right, guys. So we got both subframes out of the Miata. We're gonna get rid of that. And the next episode, we are gonna get into the old rusty Datsun 280. Get that engine out and go from there. Till next time.
That's good. So, finish that shot, you can have some.